This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice for entertainment, educational purposes only, and everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos. I put them out, so I'm thinking, I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell y'all every day, the data they release us is false. It gives a false narrative market, so we can keep making bad trading decisions. Listen, China's real estate market is in trouble. And even though Evergrande is the second biggest real estate developer in the world, because it's a communist country, and I hit on this in a previous video, that China kind of controls any company within their borders. They can go in there and shut it down. They can do what they want with it. That's why I don't like Moomoo, because Moomoo's a Chinese company. And the Chinese Communist Party can access it whenever they want. I mean, that's the laws there. But here's what's happening with the real estate market in China. Because these developers are failing, because it is bringing down the Chinese economy, the Chinese Communist Party has decided to make these real estate development companies state-owned. Now, you might be saying, what difference does that make? What the difference that makes is, now that these real estate developers are state-owned, when they go to the bank has to give them the money, whether they can pay it back or not. The bank is obligated to give them the money. And the old loans that are already in default, because they are now a state-run agency or state-run company, the banks have to extend credit. Like, they made some new rules where it's going to take, like, say you haven't paid your mortgage in 6 months. Now, because a state-sponsored agency or state-sponsored company or state-owned company, they have to give them another year to start making the payments. And then when they still don't make those payments, all the government does is print whatever you owe and give it to the banks. It's absolutely outrageous. It's a Ponzi scheme that can't support itself. It's a Ponzi scheme that can't support itself. And when they get new projects that's coming into play, the banks are obligated to lend the money even if they have no confidence in the project. Even if they believe, let's say these people or these developers haven't paid back their previous loan. They still owe money from the previous loan. They're still in default on the previous loan. Because it's now a state-run company, the banks have to give them the money for the new development, even though there's a high probability they're not going to get paid. And because of this additional pressure, the banks can't put negative things on the credit reports of regular Chinese who don't pay their mortgage. That's how critical the real estate situation is in China. The Communist Party has taken over the real estate industry. The banks are forced to give up the money, and there's no way this ends well. And being that China is the world's second largest economy, being that Evergrande is the world's second biggest real estate developer, when it crashes, it's going to be felt all over the world. Like I tell you every day, the liquidity will dry up. They'll be forced to close those long positions. Then they'll be forced to cover their shorts. And AMC and GME should start going to the moon. Anyway, hit that like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, and tell me what you think about the Communist Party taking over the real estate industry and forcing banks to give up that money. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.